Today, I hope to change how you use AI on your computer forever. If you're still typing prompts, then you're not taking advantage of this cool Windows feature that can change everything. So the first thing you want to do is you notice I have this bar at the top. I'm going to turn this off and show you how to get that. So if you go to your search, and this is on Windows 11, you type voice typing, just like that. It'll come up with the voice typing system settings. Once you're here, you can simply turn voice typing on. That creates a little bar at the top, has a little microphone there, and that way you can choose your default mic. Now the thing is, if you notice right now I've got a headset, so to keep from having to use the headset, I'm going to go ahead and change my default microphone to my speaker here. And so now I can take this headphone off, and at this point when I click the sleep mode right here, so it's right now it's sleeping, so we want to turn this on, so we can go ahead and close that right now, and I'll hit the microphone button, and now you can see if it's actually working. See how it's recording my words here? So that's great. But let's take that and let's apply how do you talk to AI, because right now, a lot of times there's a lot of videos talking about prompting and stuff like that. And it's kind of unnecessary to like at this point, because really you want to transition into a more natural interaction with AI. So for example, let's start here. So, hey, I want to create a YouTube thumbnail that's a picture of a cat that's driving a car, but the cat needs to be related or look like Snoop Dogg. Kind of, he has the blue, like almost like gangster Crip style apparel that he wears. It's like a bandana, but it's like a whole outfit. And I want basically to put some glasses on him, but he also needs to be sitting next to the Rock and Kevin Hart, and also any other cool people you can think and put in there. And that's just driving down Southern California, and you want to show the palm trees in the back, so you want to make sure that the sun is shining exactly at the right angle. So we're going to turn the mic off as we generate that. And so at this point, you can see just how much more of a rich prompt that you get out of this. And you see it's still typing right now. So let's go ahead and disable that. And so what I want to do is, as this is generating the computer, I'm going to give you all the commands that you're probably going to use. So let's see. So you can see if I had to type this prompt, I would not nearly end up with this type of quality and detail. It literally is so freaking close to everything that I wanted right now. If you think the Rock and the Kevin, I don't know if there's that much room in the back of the car, you know what I'm saying? But once again, think about it. It literally nailed everything I was trying to do, because once again, I'm voice prompting. I'm not doing prompts on my computer and typing, because you'll give it way more detail. So here's some commands. Like, let's go through some basic commands. So that's pretty cool. I might actually use that for the YouTube thumbnail. But if we want to, I'm going to go through a list of commands that you need to learn. So the first one is, let's see if this is right. We need to start and stop it by clicking the microphone. And then once it's on, we can say period, comma, question mark, new line. All right, you see that? So we can say, hey, let's make a cool paragraph. And then we say new paragraph. See, that also does the return key. We can say exclamation point, exclamation point. All right, see how it types that? And then when it comes to editing, you can say select that and see how it selects the last, it looks like the last sentence. Delete that, select that, delete that. Select the sentence. So that doesn't work. So it's select that and delete that. Capitalize that, bold that. You can see it didn't work because we're not in the text editor, right? We're not in Word or something like that. Undo, redo, move to the beginning of the sentence. Let's see, move to the end of sentence, move to the beginning of sentence, move to the beginning of sentence. Okay, so it says, oh, the beginning. So that one didn't work. So you can always look up the additional commands. But bottom line is, I just wanted to make sure that you're aware of these voice commands, and you can easily look up the reference here, and I'll put some in the description of the video. But I hope that this will help you to really like truly generate some really life-changing and amazing graphics by using voice prompting. And by the way, this channel is beginner friendly, so I'm taking you on my journey with AI. So if you're interested, please follow the channel, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.